Welcome back to Life with Liz. Today we are doing the ultimate fall cook and clean with me. So we are going to get my daughter's room, my office, and her bathroom all cleaned up, and then we will make a super easy fall soup that you guys are going to love, and it's just one of those dump and go, which is super convenient, and it's everything you have in your pantry already. So let's clean.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
This office is really going to start coming together here in just a minute, and it just feels nice to get this space clean again. It so easily gets destroyed because anytime I'm working on a project, this is kind of like a dumping ground for anything where I don't know what to do with it, or I'm running to get something like out of one of these bins and then I don't put it back like I really should. But that's life. So getting it back to clean is nice. Also, you'll see there's a bunch of decor over there, like a globe and some other stuff, pillows and such. That's all decor that is for this office. I just haven't gotten to finish that project yet. So decorating will be coming for this office, but just everything takes time, just little by little. So let's finish this office and then we will move on to the bathroom and then my daughter's room. And then I will show you that super easy recipe for fall. It is so good. It is definitely a staple in our house. And also, if you are new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join me here on my channel in this awesome community that I have started growing here. I bring new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to help to motivate you throughout life. So I hope I'm motivating you today. Let's get right back into finishing this office.
I was at the wrong place at the right time,
'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder. Give me love, give me all your love, oh 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours.
So we're gonna make chicken tortilla soup, and this is literally the easiest recipe ever. You can make it in a pot like we're going to today, or you can also just make it in your crock pot and leave it all day. Whatever works for you. But we're gonna start off and put all of our pulled chicken in there. I just buy this from Walmart already pulled. And then we're gonna just dump in each can. You don't have to drain it or anything, but this is black beans. Whole kernel corn that I just spilled all over myself, but that's fine. Diced tomatoes. Green chilies. Our cream of chicken, and then we will fill up this can with chicken broth because I buy it in like a big huge container. So we'll fill that up with chicken broth and pour that in here, and then we just let it cook up. You can cook it on high, get it to a boil, put it on simmer. It won't take but about 20 minutes to heat this all up, because that's essentially what you're doing. You're just heating it all up. The chicken's already made and cooked, so. So I almost forgot, but I needed 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning or 1 packet. Almost forgot that part. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Come say hi in the comments. If you're new, please subscribe. I would love to have you here on Life with Liz. And then I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you back here on Monday. Bye.